Join me for lunch. I packed my lunch for work today. What do we have in here? You already know. I am a sandwich girl. I love a sandwich. I just do. And this is a hefty homemade sandwich. Okay, we got honey turkey. We got onions. We got 2 slices of Munster cheese. Oh my God, she's heavy. We got onion. We got cucumbers. I didn't have pickles, so my Mazzetta hot chilies so that I can drizzle. My mouth is watering just thinking about it. And I got a little boiled egg. Oh, and for drink, ginger ale. Okay, let me get some chili pepper. I'm so excited. Unhinged food opinion. I low-key love when the bread is so squishy, not soggy. I don't like when it like disintegrates in your mouth, but I do like when it's so saucy that it kind of sticks to the roof of your mouth. I don't know why. It just does something to me. It does something to my brain. This is like my favorite. I love sandwiches. This is revitalizing me, truly. Honestly, look at me. I got dark circles. I didn't sleep the best last night. I was so hungry. I needed this. Another unhinged lunch snack. People freak out about a boiled egg. I don't get it. I love eggs, okay? A boiled egg is the perfect side with a sandwich and some chips. It's just so good.